Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Wajeeha Bilal, and as I told you, I'm doing my BS from DPS Faisalabad. And today, the topics that we are going to discuss are input and output from chapter number 4. Let me tell you the course code. The course code is triple C 301. Today, the topic that we are going to discuss is C++ manipulator. Manipulator used to help the function for C++. It is used to modify the input and output stream. Basically, it modifies the stream only using the insertion operator. The C++ manipulator is used to format the output in different styles. There are different types for this, like end line, set W, set precision, and fixed length, etc. These are used to uh, manipulate the function onward. Many types are there, but I am going to discuss only two types, that is end line and set W, that is set width. So here we have end L manipulator. L basically stands for line, which means end line manipulator. End line manipulator is used to insert new line character and flush the stream. It is similar to the slash n operator, as slash n is used to move the cursor to the next line. Similarly, the end line operator is also used to move the cursor on the next line so that our program could proceed and print the output. You can see the example on your screen, that is cout, insertion operator, hello, and end line, next is world, which means look at the line number 3 and 4. You can see that the hello is printed on the first line and the word is printed on the next line, the last line. Because of the end L manipulator, the end line converts the word to the next line and the next word is printed there. Now I'm going to discuss the second manipulator, that is set W manipulator. Set W means set width. The W stands for the width. It shows the value of the expression in a specified column. Set W basically sets the iOS library field's width and specifies the minimum number of characters in positions. The expression can be in a string or a number. It has no effect on the output. The output is displayed as it is. Remember that the setW manipulator uses the IOMANP.h for its manipulation. It is the header file. It is used with the header file and the insertion operators, and it is used after the CO NIO. You can see the syntax here, that is set W bracket and bracket close, which means in a program you can write set W and you can write the width inside the bracket. So here I'm sharing a screenshot of a program that I have written. The program asks us to write a program that input total marks and obtained marks, and it finds the percentage of the obtained marks. So at the start I have done the header files. Look at the third line with iomanip.h. It is the header file that is used for the manipulator. We will use here the manipulator. Then I int main and curly bracket, of course. In the next line, the line number 5, I input the total marks and obtained marks, and on the next line I float the percentage because the percentage can be in points, of course. Then I used cout because I have to output the total marks, and for that I have to cin, which means input the total marks. Then I used cout again for the obtained marks, and then I input the obtained marks because obtained marks has to be displayed on the output. In the next one I use the formula for the percentage. As you can see clearly, percentage is equal to float obtained with the division operator and float total static 100. Float I have used here because the marks are in points maybe. Then I again used stdcout for the display of the percentage. Then I closed the program, and in the output you can see the total marks, the obtained marks, and obviously the percentage. The next topic that is I am going to explain is from chapter number 3. named as operator. First of all, the question that arises to our mind is what is operator? We all know that operators are used to perform the specific operations, like it can be multiplication, addition, obviously the arithmetic operators, relational operators, and the logical operators. Types of operators. Here we have two types of operators, that is unary operator and binary operator. Unary operator, obviously the U is used for only one thing. Unary operators means that uses only one operand. You can see the example minus, double plus, and minus minus. And in a binary operator, binary, the word bi means two, which means it works with the two operators that can be between the two operators. You can see a plus b, that a and b are the two operators and one operand, that is plus, is used between them. The next topic that we have here is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator is basically a symbol that performs all the mathematical operations. Mathematical operations like what? It can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Modulus is basically used for the know about the remainder of two integers in a division process. So these are the arithmetic operators that are used, and they can perform many operations. Assignment operators. The word assignment is derived from the word assign. Assign means to give a task, and equal symbol is used for the assignment operator. You can see the example, that is a is equal to 100 colon. The a is assigning the value of 100. Similarly, in the next line, c is equal to, that is assignment operator, a plus b. It means c assigns to the a plus b. The next topic explains about the L value and R value. L value is basically derived from the word left value, and the R value is derived as right value. L value is an operand that can be written on the only left side. It must be a single, it cannot be double because it is used to assign the value. And the R value is an operand that can be written on the right, and it can be two or more. The L values can be used as R values, but all the R values cannot be used as L values. Look at the example here, that is x is equal to 5. This is valid, but the expression like 5 is equal to x is not valid because there is no rule for writing 5 on the left side. If I write b is equal to x, so that will be the valid value, but no rules for writing expression like this. So right here I am writing a program using the mathematical operations. I have written all the format. I am using different kinds of operations here, like plus, divide, multiply, etc. So first we will int a, b. On the next line, I have to put the values for a and b. Obviously, the a and b contains any value. Here is a is equal to 10. I have written wrong here, and b will be 5. Now I'm gonna use C out because the output is gonna display on the screen, and I have to input the value for that is 5 and 10. Now I have used here the end line manipulator. Again stdc out with the negative operator, that is a minus b, assignment operator, and then the insertion a minus b, and again I'm here using the end line manipulator to move my cursor on the next screen and use the new line for the remaining program. Now I will use the static, that is the product. It will multiply the two values. It can multiply two or more values or many values. Also using the end line manipulator here. Moving on the next line, I have used the division operator. It will divide my value. The 10 will be the numerator and 5 will be the denominator, and result will come 2. In the next line, I have used modulus. Modulus will tell the remainder of my division value. Obviously, if 5 is going to divide the 10 at 2, then there will be no remainder and the answer or the output will come 0. Now I am going to close my program, that is getch. After doing this, I am using close curly bracket. So yes, now I'm going to compile it. After compiling, you can see the output result. Now, Alhamdulillah, we have done our work. Thanks for watching. Jazakallahu khair.